वक्त लखनऊ से बड़ी खबर आ रही है। लखनऊ के जिलाधिकारी अभिषेक प्रकाश ने कहा है कि वहां लॉकडाउन में किसी तरह की छूट नहीं दी जाएगी। जो व्यवस्था अभी तक चल रही है वही चलती रहेगी। रणवीर,
इस बीच बड़ी खबर उत्तर प्रदेश से, जहां अभी स्कूल कॉलेज खोलने के पक्ष में यूपी सरकार नहीं है। राज्य करे लॉकडाउन पर फैसला। इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर हम दे रहे हैं। अभी स्कूल कॉलेज खोलने के पक्ष में उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार बिल्कुल भी नहीं है।
A teacher encourages minds to think, hands to create, and hearts to love. We all are blessed to have teachers like you who have made learning so much fun. Thank you, teachers, for helping me become a better version of myself. Wishing you a glorious and happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Jai Jagat everyone. I would like to say a special Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers, and I am deeply indebted for the hard work which you have put into teaching us during this pandemic. We will always be grateful for your support. The care you take, the love you shower makes you the world's best teacher. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I, Naitik Singhal, is here to salute our teachers. The teachers played an important role in this lockdown, just like doctors, policemen and all other COVID warriors. When parents were afraid from sending us, the students, to school, it was the teachers' efforts which made this online schooling system possible. If our teachers would not have taught us online, our 1 year of education would have been wasted. So I would like to thank and salute all my teachers who have worked so hard and tirelessly to make sure that our learning should go on. Thank you to all our teachers.
A day awaited, hence a day celebrated. I would like to wish all my dear teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. On behalf of all the students, I would like to thank you for your never-ending determination and encouraging persona, which is so prominent even in this time of virtual presence. May there be no hindrance between the teachers and their students, and the tradition of guidance prosper forever. Thank you.
My name is Pragya Singh and I am a student of class 8B CMS Mahanagar. First of all, I would like to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. The COVID-19 pandemic has left us with no other option but to stay indoors. But our teachers took all possible steps to make sure that our learning won't stop. They taught us virtually and were there for us 24/7. With taking care of their own quarantine family, they helped us in every possible way. I would like to thank all my dear teachers from the bottom of my heart for their selfless act. Thank you, my dear teachers.
It doesn't make a bit of difference whether the classes are offline or virtual. The diligence, brilliance, and exceptional teaching by our teachers continues to be at its finest. Words are too less to describe their efforts. For their never-ending spark, mentoring, guidance, support, and encouragement, I wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
I would like to wish all my dear teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. In these COVID-19 times, your effort and hard work has become all the more valuable for us. You don't let a single day of ours get wasted because of the pandemic. You will always be our guiding light and source of wisdom, be it online or offline. Thank you and Jai Jai.